Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, October 1, 2025. Karil, hindi open maging kaibigan ang ex na si Dingdong Dantes. Karil, the friendship I don't think is in the cards anymore. Tila isinara na ni Karil ang posibilidad na maging magkaibigan sila ng dating kasintahang si Dingdong Dantes. Sa panayam ni Karil sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda nitong Miyerkules, October 1, 2025, inusisa ang singer-actress sa naging pagkikita nila ni Dingdong sa It's Showtime noong June 11, 2025. Are you looking forward to being friends with Dong? Ang diretsahang tanong ni Boy Abunda kay Karil. Sagot ni Karil, I don't know if friend is the word. I would imagine being people in the same industry, we could support each other, like, I see that he supports our movie. I did my best to kind of support their own movies, so I think supporting each other, maybe. Pero dagdag niya, the friendship I don't think is in the cards anymore. Ang pahayag ni Karil ang malinaw na patunay na hindi na sila magiging magkaibigan ni Dingdong matapos ang pagwawakas ng kanilang 3 taong relasyon noong 2008. Napag-usapan ang pagtatagpo ni Karil at Dingdong sa It's Showtime dahil sa tanong ni Boy na, was it awkward? Awkward ba? Patanong ding sagot ni Karil. Saad pa niya, I did see a lot of clips, and I wouldn't have put myself in a situation na hindi ako handa siguro. So, sometimes people judge na, bakit hindi mo hinaharap? Minsan hindi ka pa handa so why would you put yourself in the situation na baka may magawa kang hindi sa akin maganda? So, I think it was okay. Tanong ulit ni Boy, hindi ka pa handa? Paglilinaw ni Karil, no, before. Parang some people were, like, are you avoiding? Sabi ko, hindi. Minsan nagkakataon lang na you're also working or doing, like, theater shows, etc. But, yeah, it was a beautiful moment, I think, because I did see some comments saying na all is well. I think with every public breakup, it's a little bit hard, I mean, when it happened. Even my childhood was like that as you know, diba? I was 6 years old when that happened to me and that was very public. So, you know, to just protect your sanity. Tinuturing ni Karil na public breakup ang nangyari noon sa pagsasama ng kanyang ina na si Shasha Padilla at ng namayapang ama niyang si Dr. Modesto Tatlonghari. Pareho ng masaya sina Karil at Dingdong sa piling kani-kanilang pamilya.
Are you looking forward to being friends with Dong?
I don't know if friend is
I don't know if
the
you're
word.
looking forward is the right word, no, but can you be friends?
I would imagine being people in the same industry, we could support each other. Like, I see that he supports our movie. I did my best to, kind of support their own movie. So I think supporting each other, maybe the friendship, I don't think is in the cards anymore.
Panoorin ang buong panayam sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda at mag-subscribe. E-click ang mga link sa description box at bukas ang comment section para sa inyong mga opinion. At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, i-click ang notification bell for more showbiz chika updates at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat. Adios.